Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's go to the question. If log of m positive n equals to log m positive log n, m can be expressed as. Okay, in this equation, we have to solve for m. When I go over the answer choices, it's clear we have to solve for m in terms of n. Okay, now let me take the given equation, that is log of m positive n equals to log m positive log n. Okay, here the base of the logarithm is not given for any of these three logarithms in the equation. Whenever the base of the logarithm is not mentioned, we have to assume this is a common logarithm. That is the base of each of these logarithms is 10. But we don't have to mention, just for a clarity, I mentioned 10. So now we can remove it. So the base of each of these three logarithms in this equation is 10. Okay, now let me write the stuff on the left side as it is. That is the log of m positive n. So here we have addition of two logarithms with the same base 10. Whenever we have addition of two logarithms with the same base, what we can do is we can take logarithm once with the same base of what we have for the two logarithms, and we have to multiply the arguments, that is m times n. Actually, this is a product rule of logarithm. That is when we have addition of two logarithms with the same base, we take the logarithm once with the base what we have and we multiply the arguments. Okay, here we have two logarithms are equal with the same base. The base of this logarithm is 10. The base of this logarithm is also 10. Whenever two logarithms are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the arguments. That is m positive n equals to m times n. Okay, my aim is to solve for m. Okay, but here the terms which contain m we have on both sides of the equation. So here we have the term which contains m. So here we have the term which contains m. Okay, now to solve for m, we have to get rid of the term which contains m on one of the sides of the equation. Let me get rid of this m. For that, I have to subtract m from both sides. When I do so, this positive negative m will cancel out. Then I'm getting n equals to mn negative m. N equals to, now I can factor m out from these two terms. When I factor m out, then I'm getting m times n negative 1. Okay, now to solve for m, I have to get rid of this n negative 1. For that, I have to divide both sides by n negative 1. Let me do it. So when I do so, this n negative 1 will cancel out. Then I'm getting n over n negative 1 equals to m. Okay, I have solved for m in terms of n. I got m equals to n over n negative 1. So I get this stuff, that is m equals to n over n negative 1 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.